This one's probably the most important tip that I could have is weighting your prompt. So the tip for adding a colon and a number after is extremely important to get your desired output. So here we have chocolate ice cream. Awesome. Made some amazing images of the chocolate ice cream. And then you have chocolate, ice cream, Then the last one, and kind of a medium amount of chocolate to ice cream. So here we did chocolate 3, ice cream 1. So you can see there's a lot more chocolate in here than there is ice cream, but there still is a little bit of ice cream. And then we did the opposite, chocolate 1, ice cream 3, and there's a lot more ice cream than there is chocolate. There is still chocolate, but that ratio, you can create that ratio in your image. Here we have chocolate ice cream 3, messy -1, so it's not messy anymore. And it's not melted, which is really cool. And then we did chocolate ice cream 4, messy -1, melted. And then we took away the text. We didn't want any text to be on the image. So that's a great way to do that.